as well as industry. So it really has to be promoted as a destination, and then you look at competing products, which would compete with him, with the Manesar as a destination, with the other locations of Gurgaon, Noida in the NCR region. So clearly it has to be a cluster growth, then specifically one side.
Sabala, you agree with that? Would that be the way to go?
To a certain extent, I think Manesar is very uniquely poised at the center point of a very large industrial and manufacturing base, which ranges right from including some industries in Gurgaon and all the way to Rewari, Bhiwadi, you have Neemrana, Taruera. Plus, it is very interestingly poised at the cusp of the key connectivity of three major arteries, the KMP, the NH8 and the Northern Peripheral Expressway, in addition to the metro rail as well as the regional rail, which is a part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. So I think one has to look at this from that larger perspective. As Mr. Mittal had just recently pointed out, the key domains which the IT industry services is finance, manufacturing and telecommunication. And henceforth, Manesar is actually very ideally based.
Major Suku, if you had to put your pulse on it and see, we've got ideas about Manesar developing as a cluster destination. We've already seen the auto industry thrive out there. IT and ITES is a possibility. Do you see that as taking off?
It is really an extension of Gurgaon. And if I look at it from my company's perspective, so we needed a place which is a little more open, where you could spread out, develop a good campus. That's exactly what we have done. And infrastructurally, I don't think there is there's a problem with Manesar. It has been planned well. So when the company had to make its own campus, Manesar was the obvious choice. So cost advantage, closer to the talent base, the ability for social infrastructure to develop, and connectivity is there. A little more improvement is definitely required for improving that connectivity.
Right. Mr. Suri, your views on this?
We are very well settled there. Our now capacity, we have gone up to 2 million as far as that unit is concerned. So the facilities are quite good. It is a very well laid out unit as far as. Now the question is the further expansion. There is hardly any area which the new units can come.
In Manesar?
In Manesar, you see the availability of the land is, as far as the phase 2 is concerned, with the government is now they are thinking on this how to go ahead with the, as far as the phase 2 is concerned. But the existing units like the IT units are coming up very well now, and they have to take stock of the situation where they are right in front of our unit. There are 5 IT companies which are still under construction and they are coming up. So the other advantage is the airport is quite near as far as the domestic or the international flights are concerned. So the working operation is quite comfortable to the people coming there, whether they are.
What percentage of people that you employ actually stay in Manesar, and what percentage come from Gurgaon and other areas?
At the moment is not that available, but they are coming from Gurgaon.
And there's development happening. Mr. Jain, I wanted to put this to you. It's the next business destination. You said it should have clusters. How well can these clusters stay together, and how can the city offer such diverse opportunities and environments that are required to have such different sets of expectations from people?
Sure. First and foremost, when you look at the kind of people who are working in there, in the Manesar area, there's industry, where there's a different set of people who are working in there. If you look at IT, ITES, there's an extremely different set of people who will be coming. So again, when you look at Manesar as a destination, it really needs to promote residential development, and people actually started living in there. So there would be a huge growth for the IT. Great product, number of IT buildings, which around about 2 million square feet of space that's available. Great pricing. It's extremely competitive because, when you talk about Gurgaon, it's probably the only destination in the country where you have the corporate office as well as the back office located within the same micro location. Manesar could alternatively provide as a cost competitive back office location to Gurgaon. But again, what it really needs to do is to promote itself and also do its positioning. It needs to understand with whom is it competing with. Is it Noida? Is it Bangalore? Is it Chennai or Pune? But again, if it creates a niche for itself, it'll probably be the next ideal business IT outsourcing destination.
It's a very interesting point you said about creating a position for itself. It has to peg itself somewhere where people can identify with it. And Mr. Palla, I wanted to ask you this. If you had to position Manesar, how would you do it?
We really must look even 3-4 years into the future. That entire demographic dividend which we want to unlock, where are these people coming from? Even a blue-collar worker today earns upwards of 25,000 in most of these plants. These are the children who go to colleges and engineering institutions. These are the very people who study and then become workers for various industries, not just IT. And I think he touched upon the very right point that housing is something. Why do these people come from Delhi? Some of them may be even coming from Bhiwadi or wherever it is. Why do they come in from these various areas to work in Gurgaon? Because there is the absolute absence of good quality, affordable residential housing where they can stay in. Now, Manesar is poised to provide this advantage, not just because of the housing which is immediately within Manesar, but of the housing possibilities which are within the vicinity of the entire area.
Major General, how easy is it to entice your workforce to stay in Manesar?
Schooling is at present, is there, it is starting, but not yet taken off. Housing is also there, but not yet fully ready. So at the moment, yes, there are challenges. And the main problem is that to break this mindset that Manesar is far away, you have to improve that connectivity.
So, Mr. Suri, for Manesar, since you all have operations there and you feel the pulse, how do you see the growth rates going at this point of time?
Now, as far as the connectivity is concerned, the metro, the government has already taken a forward step, and it is going to be operative with maybe in 2 years' time with what they have already planned. But this is a transition period, maybe 2 years, they will take another for setting up all these arrangements.
So, I wanted to put this to you. So if it's small ITES companies, would Manesar be the place to go right now?
I think small is relative right now. I mean, small for an IT company could be 1 million square feet. So if you look at IT development and Manesar as a destination, it ideally would attract a lot of campus-sized developments, what we see a lot in Bangalore, the south of India. So from that perspective, it's an ideal location for campus-sized development. But again, apart from that, I want to push that point across that we need to promote Manesar as a destination. A lot of government initiative has happened. If you look at Kolkata, when government wanted to push Kolkata as a destination for IT, or you talk about Kerala, but government really hasn't done anything on Manesar. So government has to come out and talk about Manesar as an IT back office location. They've done a great job with Gurgaon, gives a huge amount of revenue to the state, but Manesar is the next extension, which really has to be focused.
So with that, we've come to the end of this panel discussion.
Can you imagine an investment that doesn't just increase in value, but even pays for itself? SpireEdge, a mainstream green project that saves up to 30% on energy consumption. SpireEdge, think ahead. A project by SpireWorld and A&B.
Manesar is rapidly transforming itself into a global state-of-the-art commercial nerve center. With proximity to Gurgaon, Manesar is an inflection point for swift development.
Manesar is the right place for going for the future expansion and taking care of the future growth of the industry.
Presenting Advantage Manesar, a feature presentation on Manesar as the next super business destination. Only on ET Now.
Brought to you by SpireEdge.